Okay, so Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Salsabilla, Maharani Mutiara Gunawan, and today I'd like to share to you about my project and analysis. So there are three fields that I'm interested in researching more. They are academic writing, translation tool, and grammar checker. So if we combine these three keywords, then it will be the use of machine translation tool and grammar checker in academic writing for English foreign language learners. Okay, so the reason why I'm interested in these three keywords, especially is because first off, um, machine translation tools such as Google Translate and DeepL and other tools, um, they are they are helping students to understand English text through translations. Because for non-English speakers, there are some words that we don't understand um, fully. So there's also like words and phrases that we don't know how to translate it, and we don't know the meaning of it. So that's why we need to use translation tools. And by using these translation tools, it will help them in understanding the meaning and also help them improve their English skills, because um, by translating unfamiliar word, they will also learn that new word, and so that later they can use it in other contexts in the future. So and so that's why machine translation tools um, help students to help students in academic writing. So there's this journal that I use as reference. That journal is the Optimizing Machine Translation to Overcome Mechanical Engineering Vocational Education Students' Difficulties in Academic Writing. So according to this journal, there are three difficulties that engineering students, which are the participants of this journal research, um, face in academic writing in English. Those are grammar, vocabulary, and expressions. And also, all of the participants there admitted that they use machine translation tools to help them in academic writing. So yeah, and so that brings me to my second point, uh, which is the use of grammar checker, which is my my interest in research, in this research trend. So um, I'm interested to see if combining machine translation tools with a grammar checker tool will improve the quality of grammar and academic writing, and and if it can also improve students' skills in English writing, because as I mentioned before, grammar is one of the difficulties that EFL students face in academic writing. And also, grammar is also the most difficult out of the three. So yeah, so that's the reason and the analysis why I'm interested in that field. And as for the keywords themselves, there are three. The first one is the academic writing. The second one is the machine translation tool, and the third one is grammar checker. So now to check the trends of the keywords. Uh, let me let me switch my screen real quick, because so that we can say it clearly. Okay, so yeah, here. So to check the trends of the three keywords, first I input the keywords into the publish or peruse program, and then after that I downloaded the data, and then to process it I upload it to here to Voice Viewer. And then here are the data that are obtained from the published or perished. So first, we have the biggest trend here is the machine translation. It had yeah, it's the machine translation, and then there's also academic writing, and there's also evaluation, machine tool, grammar checker system, example, and so on. As you can see, these are all the trends, the research trends of the three keywords that I used, that I inputted to program. And then there's also if you look closely here, this one is kind of faded because this one accuracy is the smallest trend of the research of the keywords that I input into here. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Um, so that's my my results, my the, re- the results of my analysis and my interest uh in the research. So yeah, I think that's all. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.